Rebecca catches Chuma on the act, busy digging amacoffin wabantu, and then Chuma tells Rebecca that Usolomzi betrayed her. Ukamavovo is not dead, she's alive. And then they go dig up Kamavovo's grave and find there's nothing there. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita, the enemy. So Uchuma is busy working alone because Upara boy was AWOL. We am told busy it's bossman, we need to go. Asambe lap, these people are on to you. Kuma doesn't want to listen and says, hey, when ngena la sevens. As they're busy digging, Akamugege Rebecca with his guys. Ababambe on the act at yes, ngantol, I've caught you. I took a Kuma go to yes, Sabanja. Paraboy tries to run away, but yes, in Bambile, mana lapo wena. And then Ukamavovo hey when I Kuma. We driver when I knew it. I knew that you busy betraying my son. Ati Uchuma, I knew very well ukuthi uyamthanda uSolomzi ukuthi ungazumvela kangaka, but only if you knew lento ayenzayo. She betrayed you. Kamavovo is not dead. Kamavovo is alive. Athi awunemanga wena, you don't know what you're talking about. Let's tell the bogisi, sifuna le bogisi la. Athi I'm working here, ngiyasebenza. But after they gave you a job, uSolomzi trusted you. But when afuna ukuthembeka, look at you betraying him. Athi you know very well that uSolomzi does not trust me. Usolomzi just gave me that lousy job, so ngiyasebenza, I'm trying to make a living out of myself. Athi wena, I want that coffin or else I'm going to tell the MEC. Athi wena, you don't know what Usolomzi is capable of because I'm protector. Usolomzi betrayed you. Kamavovo is not dead. Kamavovo is alive, and Usika does not believe her. Athi samareza umazi umntana akho akakutshelanga. Rebecca does not believe him. And then he talks to no muntu wakhe, okay, you know what, let's just go and dig because I don't want to ask uSolomzi. I'll ruin our relationship. Let's just go and check. Kuthi ngempela uChuma unamanga yini or not. And then they go over there, they dig up Kamavovo's grave, only to find that there's nothing in the grave. Empty. There's just Kamavovo is not there. There's nothing in the grave. Rebecca she was just like, so Solomzi lied to me. And then they leave. She was so disappointed. How can Solomzi do this to me? And then Solomzi at the funeral parlor, abantu they come, but have you find the culprit yet? That's I'm totally. I'm still looking, but you know exactly what's going on. Shoti, this cannot happen under your nose. Shoti, it's an inside job. And I tell Solomzi, no, it's not like that. I'm going to find this person, but you send these guys to work on him. And they start beating up Solomzi. And then this guy starts pointing a gun to Solomzi. I'm going to blow your brains out if you don't tell me the truth. And it's so sad because Solomzi, indeed, he knows nothing. And then Nanguna busy snooping around phone Solomzi because she probably feels good to Solomzi is seeing someone. Solomzi comes looking for a phone and finds her snooping on it and she gives it to him. And then Velapi is worried it's actually disappointed to go he refused to call at a family meeting, and that Siamtan decided to go speak to Chuma on his behalf without talking to him first. At Siamtan, I just wanted to help. Now Martha is head over heels in London. But Unkanyis is worried this guy is going to take advantage of you, actually in a broken heart. And then they go and chill watching a movie, London, no Martha. Martha wants to know, what are we dating? What's going on? As to London, let's not give labels, let's just go with the flow. You know what going with the flow is, right? No labels means we are just meshing, nothing solid or nothing serious. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.